Hi everyone, I am Lucy. Today I am going to walk you through this stunning Indian bridal makeup look step by step using affordable yet high performing products from Insight Cosmetics. So let's get into it. I am starting with the Insight Pro Professional Moisturizing Primer. This hydrates the skin and smooths out extra textures and provides with a soft plump finish, the perfect canvas for long-lasting bridal glam. Next, I'm using this smudge-free eyebrow pencil in gray to shape my brows. It gives a natural finish and stays put all day long. I truly believe eyebrows are the foundation of any makeup look, so take your time here. Patience is the key, as a pair of well-shaped brows can completely elevate your face. To define them further, I'm gonna add the brow tattoo in the shade black. This gives a bold, structured look and lasts for hours. As this product is very heavily pigmented, I will suggest to remove excess and then apply. To cancel out dark circles and pigmentation, I am using the orange corrector from the No Smudge concealer range. It blends very easily and does not crease at all. Always focus it around the mouth and under eye areas. Now for the base, I'm using the full cover soft focus foundation in shade MN18. It gives full coverage with a matte finish. Absolutely bridal perfection. The texture is smooth and buildable, so it covers everything without feeling heavy. I also love how it blurs out pores and evens out the skin tone. To brighten my under eye areas and high points of the face, I'm using the No Smudge concealer in the shade MN20. It gives full coverage without looking heavy. In this phase, I will also carve out my brows using the same concealer to make them appear clean, blending the concealer on my eyelids. For that soft natural bridal flush, I'm using the liquid blush in the shade Venice Rose. It's super pigmented, so you only need a tiny amount. I apply it to the apple of my cheeks and blend it upwards for that lifted youthful look, blending out the rest of the concealer to create a seamless smooth look. To set all the liquid and cream products in place, I'm using the HD Finish baking powder. It sets the base beautifully without making it look dry or patchy. Now it's time to get glowing. For that, I'm using Glow Stick in Solar. It's creamy, blendable, and gives a natural glass-like highlighting effect without the chunky shimmer part. Bringing back some warmth and dimension by using this bronzer from the face palette, I apply it along the cheekbones, forehead, jawline for a soft yet sculpted look. I also run a little bronzer down the sides of my nose to subtly contour and add definition. Just look at the difference. Now for the eyes, we have two eyeshadow palettes, one for the mattes and one for the shimmers, but we are going to start by smudging out the Super Kajal in the shade black, quickly blending it out with a small brush to create a soft smoky liner effect. This adds the perfect drama to the eyes without being too harsh. Applying a terracotta matte brown shade all over the eyelid and blending it softly into the crease. Next, placing this shimmer eyeshadow only onto the center of eyelid, applying the black kajal to my waterline and then smudging it out for the soft smoky look. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes to lift them and open up the eyes. Then I'm applying the long-lasting mascara. It lengthens, separates and adds volume without clumping. And lastly, adding a pair of wispy false lashes for that extra drama and definition. Using the precise liquid liner, I'm gonna draw two small wings only on the inner corner of my eyes to join it on the waterline. Lining my lips with the lip liner in shade Ebony Brown to define and shape. This step really helps the lipstick to stay in place. Next, I'm softening out the lip liner using my finger to avoid the harsh line. This lipstick in shade Mauve, a rich brown that's bold and flattering on brown skin, and it is also long lasting. Using the setting spray to lock everything in, it melts all the layers together and keeps the makeup looking fresh and flawless for long hours. And here is the final bridal look. Timeless, glowing and built to last. All created using Insight Cosmetics, and I'm honestly impressed by how affordable yet high performing these products are. So if you're a bride to be or just love full glam, then you need to try this range.